Hello everyone, it's Lando, and our friends at FxPro have challenged me to a quiz about British and Silverstone culture. You might have seen Daniel did one not so long ago about Australia and the Melbourne Grand Prix. I think he got a score of 11.5 out of 20, so my turn to try and top it. Let's see what I know. Each day, I'm going to go with 1.9 million. Huh? 100 million. How many people live in the UK?
Yeah, but
100 million cups of tea a day. So I'm gonna get into the tea business. Ooh. I think I'm gonna have to say Lewis Hamilton, and wins probably six wins at the British Grand Prix. 8. I got a half a point for that. Okay, that's true, it's true. 2, red and white. Hell yeah. Ooh. How many times has McLaren won at Silverstone? I'm gonna go with 12.
14.
Ooh,
Like
that's like a quarter point at least. I feel like I really should know this. Isn't it like the Beatles? It is the Beatles. Boom. The number 10 Downing Street. I mean, I got no idea where does he actually live there? I mean, I'm guessing it was in England. It's probably going to be a lot more obvious than I think. Brands Hatch, Silverstone. I'm going to say Brands Hatch. Nope. Oh, it's Silverstone. Oh, but it was almost too obvious to go with Silverstone. Jim Clark. Ooh, St Andrews. Scotland. Send her victorious, happy and glorious. Da, 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 da. God save the Queen. Oh, they went wrong. How am I meant to know this? 26. 68. 68? Fudge. Have they ever won? They have. Well, that's a good start. 1967.
66.
No way, really? Ah. Oh. Prince. William. Oh, it's the 70th, isn't it? It's gonna be Paul Ricard or Belgium. Zandvoort? No, that's closer than France. Probably Lewis Hamilton. No. Swans. True. True. Was it me? It was! Well, thank you very much. As you can see, I got my crown on. It's because I took home the W today. Got my lovely trophy. I came out with 12 points and Daniel came out with 11.5. So thank you very much. I know my country much better than Daniel does.